Alternating current, AC, from the electrical network must be converted to direct current, DC, to charge the vehicle's batteries. To do this, various chargers are available. This operation is carried out by an onboard charger inside the vehicle, mode 2 to 3, or by using an external DC charger that provides more charging power, mode 4, and therefore significantly reduces the charging time. For charging in mode 2, a smart cable is required. It connects to a socket. The charging power depends on the electrical installation. The maximum charging power will always be that of your onboard charger. The vehicle confirms that it is charging via a flashing indicator light. You can monitor the charging level on the instrument panel. To disconnect the charger, please press the Stop button. Once the indicator light is off, you can remove the connector. For charging in mode 3, a Type 2 cable is required, which connects to a terminal that supplies alternating current. This is converted into direct current by the vehicle's internal charger. The advantage of this installation is access to the wake-up option. Automatic charging resumes. This station provides charging in mode 4. Its charger converts alternating current from the electrical network into direct current, so it is not necessary to charge via the vehicle's internal charger. Depending on the type of charger, the charging power may be increased and the charging time reduced. It is connected using a Type 2 combo connector to the vehicle's CCS socket combined charging system. The number of vehicles, usage, and charging time must be taken into account when choosing the type of charger. The sizing of a charging infrastructure is linked to the types and power output of the chosen chargers.